guys. All right, so just finished up at work, just got my things together, and I'm now heading over to the curling rink, which is Canada's national sport. Thumbs up. So this is gonna be my first year ever participating on a curling team in a curling league. It's very low-key. It's only, like, for the most part, beginners to a point, or at least I hope, because otherwise my team is going to be a shit show. But that's fine. It's fine. We'll only get better from here. I think the last time I went curling was like, oh my god, well over 10 years ago. And it was one time in gym class because it's required in Canada. Or I shouldn't say required, part of the program. You go curling and you learn about the sport and how to do it. And I think it was pretty fun when I went. So we'll see. All right, wish me luck. Not yet, not yet. Look at that, not on the throw. Business or just friends?
Anytime Fitness.
Oh, sweet. Yeah. Hey guys, so just got back from curling and it was super fun. Kind of freezing right now though, it's quite cold on the ice. So we ended up getting slaughtered. It's our first game though, first time that I played since high school. And learned lots, which was good. And I'm super excited to go back next week. What's up guys? Alright, so I am just getting ready to start my workout. And I'm definitely going to start with a little bit of Limitless because I'm a little bit tired, but that's okay. Now I'm gonna do this because I see people do it all the time and I think it's kind of funny. Actually, I never thought I would ever do it because I think it's kind of stupid. But I feel short on time. So I'm gonna do that because I need to get this workout done because today is the day that we sign up for Seawheeze and I'm super, super pumped. So Seawheeze is a half marathon that is hosted by Lululemon in Vancouver. And it happens every August. So this year will be its 6th season. So I was fortunate enough to do Seawheeze from year 1 to year 4. So I did it for the first 4 years straight. Every single year, main goal was just trying to get faster and faster. And it was probably one of the most fun and motivating half marathons that I've ever done. So this past year, I didn't do it. It just, I don't know, the registration with it was just, it's just too much for them to do it the way they were doing it. So every year after Seawheeze, they'd post registration literally like 2 weeks later. And for those of you who haven't done Seawheeze before, well, it's a bit of a money monopoly. So it costs $130-ish to do the half marathon. You do get a pair of Seawheeze Lululemon exclusive shorts to train in 3 months prior and leading up to the half marathon. So it's not that bad of a deal when you look at it that way because we all know Lululemon shorts, $60 about approximately, so pretty good savings there. Yeah, so another thing that they do with Seawheeze is they have this thing called the Showcase Store. So the Showcase Store, it has a bunch of exclusive Lululemon gear with all the Seawheeze logo all over it. So it's still all Lululemon product, but it's stuff that you can only get at the half marathon. So it's kind of funny. Whenever you do this, one of the biggest days of Seawheeze is actually the day before the race when you get to go into the Showcase Store and check out all the exclusive gear. And they actually put a limit on how much you can buy. So you can only buy 10 items when you go in. But if you times that by an approximate Lululemon purchase price, which is like anywhere from $60 to $150, it's a lot of money if you're buying 10 items. But every single year that store sells out and it's like, they just like force you into buying stuff. Not by actually forcing you, but just by like peer pressure because everybody's buying stuff. You're like, if I don't get it now, it'll be gone. Anyways, so you spend a decent chunk of money to do the race and then again at the Showcase Store. And then 2 weeks later, they expect you to pay another $130 to sign up for the race. So I don't know, after 4 years of doing it, I just kind of got sick and tired of it. It was like, I'm going to take a break. So I took last year off from running the race, but today's sign up day and I'm going to be signing up. So 10 minutes before the sign up opens, registration I should say, I have an alarm set in my phone and I'm going to start refreshing that page until I get in. And if I don't, I might be really, really pissed because I've gone through so much effort to be available for this sign up time. So keep you guys posted on how that goes. And sorry for the little Seawheeze story, but I just thought it was kind of fitting for what I was doing today. Okay, outside of that, gonna get this started. Oh yeah, so this is a pre-workout. Lots of caffeine. Legit feel like I just did a 1,500 meter run. That was fucking awful. I don't know why I thought walking lunges and 2 laps of sled pushes with a significant amount of weight was a good idea. Okay, the rest of the workout I'm not going to film. I'm just going to be doing some leg extensions, prone curls, hip abduction, glute kickbacks, and then I'm done. Just some isolation work to finish off because I did a lot of athletic specific stuff that I haven't done in like 4 months because of my hamstring injury. But A, I can jump. B, I can jump on one leg, which is awesome. And C, I can do box jumps again. I didn't record the box jumps, but I can actually jump onto a full-size wooden box, which is like so nice because it's ski season and my legs are like not athletically ready. They are bodybuilder ready, but not athletically performance-wise. Hence why I just killed myself doing sled pushes and box jumps. And the waiting game begins. We are 10 minutes out from registration. Alright, so it's almost go time. 1 minute. I'm better get into this fucking race. Excuse my language. But literally, it starts November 17th. Oh my god. It's right now. 1 minute, people. 1 minute. As soon as this thing hits 10, we better get in. And almost there, almost there, almost there. Wait for it. Oh man, it's 10 a.m. and it didn't work. Register. It's 10 a.m. 10 a.m. on my phone. What the frig? Oh yeah, baby, we're in. Checkout. It didn't let me check out. Okay, so we got one, but I just need the checkout button to work. If this system crashes, I'm about to lose my mind. Oh my god, you better work, you stupid thing. That's what happens when 10,000 people try to register for an event at once. Go Lulu. Alright, we are in line in the waiting room. I almost just tried to sign up on my phone as well, but apparently this is working. Anybody got money on if this system's gonna crash this year? Let's see if Lululemon's figured it out this year. Well, good thing I did get through here, because it is not working on my phone. Good luck to all you guys trying to get in. Oh! Your register are no longer available due to previous sales. Please choose a different date, time, or ticket. Oh my god. That's hilarious. Is it literally, like, already sold out? Look at that. Wait, where is it? Oh, I can't show it. It's unavailable. That is 10:04 a.m. and it's already unavailable. But it's cool because we're in the waiting room, people. We are in the waiting room. So I am chatting with my friend Carolyn about getting into Seawheeze, and I guess we're both in the waiting room. So my friend Carolyn is down in Minnesota, as we like to call it. And she came and did it. Oh my god. No way. The tickets, quantity, or date, time you request are no longer available? Are you fucking kidding me? Not a chance. No way. I'm about to say... I'm actually pissed right now, Lululemon. You did not open until 10:02. I was refreshing at 10 a.m. Oh, I'm gonna lose my mind. I'm so angry right now. Oh my god. I'm actually, like, so pissed. I can't believe I didn't get into Seawheeze. I booked time off work for this shit. I'm over it. I'm not buying any Lululemon evermore. Ever again. I'm done. I'm over it. I'm over you, Lululemon. Over you. Bullshit. Through the ringer. I read a little bit more closely and it was like, keep refreshing. Some may free up. So I refreshed a few times and then unavailable turned to register. Oh, and there we go. Oh my god, this is so annoying. I'm about to lose my mind. They keep teasing me. They keep popping up, oh, one's available. So I hit register. And it says Eventbrite waiting. So I'm feeling that the system crashed. You better hope it crashed, Lululemon, because I am... We've made it to the final step. This better let me in. Or we're done, Lululemon. Oh my god. Just do it. Do it. I definitely thought I didn't get in. And then I just kept trying. It's like they let so many free up every, like, 5 minutes. It's 10:18 and at, like, 10:04 it was, like, unavailable. Yay. You're going. I'm going. I'm going. Yes. What's up, bitches? Good. Good. We're in. Oh my god. So, it worked. I made it. I got into Seawheeze. I was so angry there for a minute. Sorry about that commentary. I booked time off work to make sure I was available for this. And I know it sells out fast because I've done this last 4 years in a row, what I said earlier, except for last year I didn't do it. And my friend Carolyn got in and then apparently kicked her out after she put in her payment information. How messed up is that? Whew, I can breathe now. Who would have known that I would jump at the opportunity like this to sign up for a half marathon and be like so stoked to do it? I remember when I never thought I'd ever do a half marathon because I thought running longer than like 45 minutes was ridiculous. But okay, we're gearing up for August 12th, 2017 for Seawheeze. So let's get on with the running vlogs, right? We'll see how that goes. But for the meantime, it's ski season until then. But I'm into Seawheeze.